Number 1. 1970 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed, $8,500, Boonton, New Jersey. This 1970 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed is a solid example of Chevrolet's classic pickup era, powered by a 250 cubic inch inline-six engine paired with a manual transmission. The truck's originality shines through, with its undercarriage painted black and primered body still showing hints of its factory blue interior. The owner reports recent upgrades, including a fully redone brake system, new ignition components, distributor, plugs, and alternator. While the odometer is broken, the truck runs well and represents a great foundation for either a restoration or preservation project for collectors who appreciate vintage American pickups. Number 2. 1981 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe C10, $3,200, Whittier, North Carolina. This 1981 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe C10 features a straight six engine with an automatic transmission and shows just 67,900 original miles. The truck remains largely unmodified, wearing its original blue paint and equipped with like-new tires. Though the windshield, dash, and seat are cracked, it still runs and drives well, offering an authentic survivor feel that appeals to enthusiasts seeking a reliable vintage workhorse at an affordable price. Number 3. 1985 Chevrolet K20 Custom Deluxe, $3,500, Blountville, Tennessee. The 1985 Chevrolet K20 Custom Deluxe is a rugged four-ton pickup equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. With 117,000 miles on the odometer, this four-wheel drive truck needs some work but remains a promising project. Though rust is present, its drivetrain and mechanical foundation provide an ideal starting point for restoration or customization into a capable classic off-roader. Number 4. 1984 GMC 7000 dump truck, $5,000, Cole Township, Pennsylvania. This 1984 GMC 7000 dump truck, featuring a 366 cubic inch gasoline engine and a 5-speed manual transmission with a 2-speed rear end, stands out for its excellent condition and low mileage. The odometer shows 11,110 miles, and while the title lists miles as exempt, the truck's garage-kept state reflects careful ownership. With a non-CDL rating, solid tires, and hydraulic brakes, it's an ideal vintage work truck for collectors who appreciate utility and durability in a classic form. Number 5. 1977 Ford Ranger F350 Flatbed, $5,000, Rice's Landing, Pennsylvania. Powered by a strong 460 cubic inch V8 and paired with a C6 automatic transmission, this 1977 Ford Ranger F350 Flatbed blends heavy-duty capability with vintage appeal. With 68,000 miles and 6 new tires, the truck features an 8x14-foot wooden flatbed. It's well-maintained and ready for work or restoration, representing one of Ford's toughest workhorses from the late 1970s. Number 6. 1967 Ford Truck, $8,500, Gretna, Virginia. This 1967 Ford short bed pickup is a fine example of a late 1960s classic, powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission. The body is in excellent shape with new weather stripping, brakes, and tires. Equipped with power steering and a C6 automatic, this truck delivers the charm of vintage styling combined with dependable functionality, a ready-to-drive collectible that retains Ford's signature ruggedness. Number 7. 1968 Chevrolet C20, $10,000, Paris, Illinois. A family-owned classic since new, this 1968 Chevrolet C20 features a 327 cubic inch V8 with an automatic transmission and just 55,000 miles. Though the gas gauge and brakes need attention, the truck runs great and even includes upgraded air conditioning converted to R134A. With solid bodywork and minor cosmetic wear, it's an authentic survivor ideal for enthusiasts seeking an unmolested, garage-kept classic with strong sentimental value. Number 8. 1968 Chevrolet C20, $10,000, Ridgefield, Connecticut. This 1968 Chevrolet C20 stands out with just 45,400 original miles and a dependable inline-six engine mated to a 3-speed column shifter. With new brakes, windshield, and gas tank, plus a clean interior, it offers a balanced mix of originality and upkeep. Aged patina adds to its vintage charm, while light rust only enhances its character. Spent most of its life in North Carolina, reflecting a well-preserved Southern heritage. Number 9. 1978 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe K10, $6,500, Linesville, Pennsylvania. A long-term ownership of 25 years shows in this 1978 Chevrolet K10, powered by its original 350 small block V8 paired with an automatic transmission. It includes a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, headers, and 4-wheel drive. The frame is in excellent condition, though the bed and doors need attention. With extra rims, parts, and documentation, this square-body Chevy is an appealing project for enthusiasts seeking a well-loved truck with potential. Number 10. 1986 Chevrolet C20 2WD, $6,500, Marlboro, New York. This 1986 Chevrolet C20 2WD offers a strong 350 4-bolt main engine with an automatic transmission rebuilt with a shift kit. With 137,374 miles, it runs very well and has an almost perfect interior. The truck requires some exterior bodywork, but stands as a reliable, mechanically sound example of Chevrolet's durable 1980s work truck lineup. Number 11. 1967 Ford Short Bed, package with 1968 model, $14,000, Cleveland, Ohio. An excellent opportunity for collectors, this package includes a 1967 Ford Short Bed and a 1968 model equipped with a 390 V8 and 4-speed manual transmission. Both trucks are rust-free and ideal for restoration or building one standout vehicle from 2 solid bases. Priced attractively for 2 vintage Fords, this deal offers enthusiasts great potential and value. Number 12. 1964 Ford F600, $500, Warrensburg, Missouri. Offered at a project-level price, this 1964 Ford F600 with a Y-block V8 engine features a dump bed and around 70,000 miles. Though it cranks but does not start and has a flat tire, its frame remains solid with desirable patina. For vintage truck restorers, this represents a worthwhile foundation for revival or use as a rustic display piece. Number 13. 1968 GMC 1500, $13,500, Selden, New York. This 1968 GMC 1500 long bed showcases a 283 small block V8 with a Holley carburetor, Edelbrock intake, and long tube headers mated to a 4-speed SM465 transmission. The truck runs and drives well, featuring a nearly mint interior and several new mechanical components. With its classic orange finish and strong mechanical upgrades, this truck blends performance and vintage charm perfectly. Number 14. 1971 Ford F250 Ranger, $15,000, Harleysville, Pennsylvania. Restored for reliability, this 1971 Ford F250 Ranger features a rebuilt 390 V8 paired with a rebuilt C6 automatic transmission. Recent updates include new brakes, gas tank, starter, battery, and power steering components. With 154,000 miles, the truck remains in good condition and road ready, a great example of Ford's timeless heavy-duty pickups. Number 15. 1978 Ford F250 pickup truck, $15,000, Byfield, New Hampshire. Owned and garaged for over 30 years, this 1978 Ford F250 dump body truck is exceptionally well preserved. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission, it has been used sparingly, averaging just 2,500 miles per year. The frame and body remain in excellent condition with minimal rust, making it a prime example of a long-lived, well-cared-for classic Ford pickup.